Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Like I explained before, the first step into the process of planning every project is to enter the project data, and it's done in this tab here, Project. To the left, we have the project participants, contacts in the project. You have the name, the role, description, company address, telephone, fax, email. I will right side saying, that's me. DIALux remembers me. You can add more contacts if you want to. Add a new contact. For example, you have the name, etc. Let's make it something like that. You can add the role. I don't know, the CAO, company, something. All right, this one, for example. Address, I don't know, telephone, blah, blah, blah. If you need to add more people, you can go to add new contact, etc. Then here to this part, you have the project information, but I will delete, let me delete these first. And then I have the project name. It's test office lighting. Description. This is a test for my students to understand better how to use DIALux evo. The date, you can change it. If you click, like if you have another date and you want to make it the date of today, you click on, I don't know what's wrong with my mouse, you click on today and it goes back to today's date. The address, I am right now in Tangier, Morocco. You can Google it, it's a nice town. You can add another detailed description on this box here. You can also add a project image if you'd like to, but honestly, personally, I don't use this because if I have a different project or the projects look alike or something, I just change the project names and that's it.
Great job. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.